In this video, we're going to learn about units and metric conversions. Now, in science, there are 7 base units. Mass is measured in kilograms, length in meters, temperature in kelvins, amount of substance in moles. These are units that we're going to come across a lot in this class. Electrical current and luminous intensity, for example, they're more for physics, but they are base units. Um, all other units are really derivations of these base units. So for example, area can be measured in a combination of meters and, well, meters. It's meters squared. Volume would be meters cubed. Speed would be in meters per second. And energy, although you may be familiar with joules and calories, a joule is actually 1 kilogram meters squared per second squared. This is definitely something for physics, that derivation, but goes to show that when you combine base units, you get anything else. Now, I'm going to move on here to the prefix system, and you may be familiar with things like centimeters and millimeters. The centi is a prefix that means 10 to the negative second. So, for example, I look at this chart here, I can see the centi relative to the base is 10 to the negative second. I can say that 1 centimeter equals 0.01 or 10 to the negative second meters. That's what that would mean. And I would also know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. That's what that 1,000 here means. So some of these prefixes you're probably familiar with already. For example, giga and tera you may know of from computers. Nano you may have heard of in the news about nanotechnology. What we're going to do now is we're going to solve this problem. We've got the walk from Concord Center to Boston Common is 28.8 kilometers. How far is this in centimeters? Well, I'm going to start by writing down what I have here as a measurement. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to realize that, well, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So I can say that there are 1,000 meters for every 1 kilometer. And note how I've set this up. I've put kilometers in the bottom because if I take kilometers and I multiply by meters and then divide by kilometers, the kilometers cancel. Km times m over km is m. So at this point, I've converted to meters. So I've got halfway there. I got back to the base unit, right, from kilometers back to meters. And next what I'm going to do is convert to centimeters. And I've got that conversion factor already. Personally, I would rather say that there are 100 centimeters for every 1 meter. Although you could quite easily say that 1 centimeter would be 0.01 meters. That would be fine as well from the previous slide we saw. But anyway, this comes out to, if I do the calculation, it comes out to 2,880,000 centimeters, or 2.88 times 10 to the 6th centimeters. So that's all for this. Hope this video has helped. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.